Hello, I am doing a review on my PRIMUS Classic Trail powerful gas stove, it says. So we're gonna go see. I got 2.5 cups of cold water directly out of the sink, and we are gonna go see how long it takes it to get that to boil. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put it together on the tank. Okay, make sure your valve's off so you don't leak a bunch of fuel when you put it on. And what's nice about this, it comes with a carrying pouch. So go ahead and put that on. I got 2 cups of water directly out of my sink, nice and cold. Got my little MSR pan right here. Quick solo pot. I like these, are nice and lightweight. I've used this a bunch of times, and this thing is so nice. This little burner right here, you can pull that out instead of pulling out your 2-burner Coleman or whatever. If you need to heat up some water, or you want to make a quick meal, or if you got those freeze-dried pouches of food, you know, do the 2-person or 3-person, whatever. Here's 2 cups of cold water. We're gonna go ahead and see how long it takes us to get that boiling. Or if you want to make a couple cups of coffee, just boom. It's so nice to pull one of these out and heat up your water, and they're so compact. They're not as small as the little pocket stoves, but I think these are more convenient. Maybe if you're backpacking and you're really down to how much weight you're carrying, those pocket stoves are better, because this is probably the weight of like 2 or 3 of those little tiny pocket stoves, at least 2. Let's go ahead and spark it. I'll use my ferro rod. Okay, let's put that pan up there. Now you can see the steam, because I've used this just a little bit ago, and all the moisture that was in there is already steamed out. That's what's nice about these, they heat up so darn fast. Let's go ahead and put that. Listen to that. These pans are so sweet. They stink and heat up so fast. Okay, let's get that lid on. You need to save that. You want to save that heat. You have the lid off, you're wasting a lot of heat. Let's go ahead and set a little quick timer on this. Set, boom, starting the timer. Let's see how long it takes us to get water boiling with this thing. My little pocket stoves I use take some of them 3 minutes or so. They're actually pretty efficient, but their flame is smaller. What I like about this, it has a bigger flame to it, so it's actually covering the whole bottom of the pot instead of just one little smaller spot. So let's go ahead and see what we can, make sure it's up, what we get for 39 seconds. That's exactly 2 cups of water right out of the sink. And our outdoor temperature is, let's go ahead, you can see that, 52 degrees. So it's a little chilly. Not bad though, I mean it's enough to wear a sweater. These pans are really nice because they're thin, so they heat up really fast, and then they got a nice coating on them, so if you're cooking soup or whatever, they're perfect, easy to clean. One minute and 30 seconds. Oh, we got steam. I got steam. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 45 now, I should say. Lots of steam. Oh, just starting to early boil. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Right at 2 minutes, and you got your boil. Check that out. That's pretty darn good. Let's move the camera on closer. There we go. Look at that. That is pretty quick boil. 2 minutes. Now 2 minutes and 23 seconds. So that's a pretty good stove. In 2 minutes you got boiling water. Ready to make your cup of coffee. Like I said, I just used it because I just made myself a cup of tea. So if you're looking at these, make sure I got it on the camera. These classic trail powerful gas stove by PRIMUS for campsite cooking and protecting pot supports, flame control from simmer to boil, and a high output. Definitely got a high output. I love this thing. It's really fast. All right. That is my review on my PRIMUS Classic Trail. And these are actually really affordable stoves. Let's see if I got a price tag on this thing. I don't think so. I think I got this thing on sale for like $12. So I think they're averaging like $19, but it was on sale for $12. Definitely a good purchase. Carry one in the back of your vehicle or whatever when you go camping or whatever. Instead of pulling out that 2-burner stove, pull this baby out. Look at that. Beautiful. This fuel canister right here, this smaller one, is 230 gram. It says on the package you got 70 minutes of burn time on a 230 gram 8.1 ounce gas cartridge. And of course, you know that's going to be down on low. Alright, that is my review on my nice stove, and I definitely like it. And if you think you need something like this for when you're camping, even camping out of your vehicle, and you want to be able to just go heat up some water real quick to make a quick meal or boil a can of soup or something, there you go. Way easier and much simpler than pulling out a big 2-burner Coleman. Alright, thanks for watching.